Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to make Buldak Ramen. First, put the water in the pan, then close the cover. And now wait for 3 to 4 minutes. When the water is boiled, let's put the noodles in the pan. Okay, now we have to wait for 5 minutes. Third, let's check the noodles and then you have to drain the water out. This is the cheese and this is the sauce. Fourth, let's put in the cheese powder and the sauce. Now you have to stir it. Lastly, I'm going to put the cheese in the noodles. And if you want to make it less spicier, feel free to pour in the milk. And now it's finally done. Let's serve. Goodbye, teacher.